my name is Krutat. My registration number is UR15CS025. The question given to me in this experiment number 2 in Java is I have to create a solution for subject registration system in which subjects allotted are Java theory, Java lab, C++ theory, C++ lab, database theory, and compile design lab theory. Every student needs to take 2 theory subjects and a lab. If a student selects a theory subject which is having a lab, he or she is allotted both. While subject selection, if a student wants to select lab, he or she is uh, allotted with the subject also. More than 3 subjects are not allowed. Now let's see to the program. I have given several outputs for showing which all options are available. Then we have to give how many students we want to give as input. Then after that I have created an array of objects for the class subject registration in which every object is initialized. After that students I dot get input is used to get the input of input details of all the students. uh, this is the class subject registration in which I have given string st name, registration number, then and subject array integer subject array is there, and string subject array is also there, in which at last it would compare it with this array to print the output. Boolean lab equal to false, boolean extra equal to false. This boolean values are given because when the lab would be selected, this would be set as true, and some of the cases won't run. Same for extra also. Get input, I have used a while loop. While h should be less than 2, means that can be only 2 choices, because in first choice when you select one subject, the lab would be allocated, so 2 of your choices would be eliminated, and after that only one choice you would have left with, in which you can choose either database theory or compiler design lab theory. So this would be the main logic behind the programming, in which lab would be set as true after taking Java theory or C++ Java lab, or C++ theory or C++ lab. In this the main logic it revolves around that only 3 subjects we have to select. So if we choose uh, any subject which has lab, we can't choose another subject which has lab. So either we choose Java or either we choose C++. After selecting any one of that, we can take either compile design or database. So many cases I have given, and after that at last I have used method which is put output. Let's see how the code runs. How many students? I am giving it as 2. UR15 CS0 28 or 26. So first I am giving for Java theory. Okay, Java theory and lab registered. Now if I want to take for C++ lab, if I am giving, this subject can't be selected. Okay, so I will give it like 6. Now for another student, registration number is UR15 CS027, and first, and I'll give it as 5, and this would be the output.